Hi, this is Manat Jagia. I'm extremely glad to announce that #LiteratureWithUs is coming up with a brilliant, time-saving Master Blaster workshop that would cover 50 most important topics in English literature. This workshop is going to be our capsule course, which is definitely going to provide you some relief to all your stress and pandemic anxiety. You can join this course by a simple registration process. This course will include most important topics from British literature, American literature, Indian literature, linguistics and pedagogy, cultural studies. You will learn some very important literary terms, some literary theories. In fact, all the literary theories will be covered and also the major literary movements, all under one course. We have been designing this course very carefully, selecting these topics that have been recurring in the past UGC SET and NET exams. So do not stress, sit back and relax. The gold mine as well as the treasure is yours. Now about the information about the course. The lectures will happen every day on Google Classroom app from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. That is, you will be having 7 lectures per day, and this will go on for 7 days. 7 days, 7 lectures per day, that is 49 lectures plus 1 introduction lectures. At least you will be having 50 important topics. There could be more lectures also. We can add more topics to the course also. So minimum of 50 most important topics you are going to get in this workshop. And the good news is that you don't have to sit in one place from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The lectures will be in the audio form. They will be uploaded as audio lectures every hour from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. And the benefit of this course is that you can listen to these lectures anytime according to your time convenience. Now, suppose if you have missed a day or two, we are providing 3 days extra subscription to our students who are taking up this workshop, who are registering for this workshop. So you have 7 days of all the lecture uploads plus 3 days extra to finish up all the things that you could not finish in those 7 days. Please do not waste this opportunity. Do join our course. After the lectures, even there will be mock tests uploaded on our Telegram channel based on the lectures that will be provided you throughout the day. So these 7 days are going to be a rigorous training session for you. They are going to prep you up for the next UGC SET and NET exam. All you need to do is register for the course, sit with your paper and pen whenever you are free, take down all the notes and then solve the mock tests that will be uploaded by the end of the day. I hope all the information about the workshop is quite clear. I have given mostly all the information. For more queries, you can just message us or call us on our given numbers. Thank you and have a nice day.